In this video, I will talk about the cleaning instructions for the Vicair O2 wheelchair cushions. From a hygienic point of view, it is preferred that a wheelchair cushion be cleaned properly and easily. Our process of cleaning a Vicair O2 cushion is very easy. We start by checking the label on the back of the cushion to make sure the cushion is a Vicair O2 cushion or not. You can also find the washing instructions here. The Vicair O2 cushion can be machine washed at a maximum of 60 degrees Celsius using an anti-crease cycle and mild detergent. Do not use any chlorine or bleach. Remove the outer cushion cover before washing. You can wash them at the same time. For further instructions, see label attached to the inside of the cover. You do not need to remove the smart cells before putting the cushion into the washing machine. The smart cells used in the Vicair O2 wheelchair cushions can be machine washed without shortening the lifespan of the cells. Do not dry clean or tumble dry your Vicair O2 cushion. Instead, let it air dry. You can use the blue loop to easily hang the cushion. Please note, when washing the Vicair Active O2, first remove the foam inlay. The foam inlay cannot be machine washed. If you do not have access to a washing machine, you then have the option of spraying disinfectant on the cushion cover and the cushion. Bend the compartments outward to make sure the spray mist gets into the gaps. If you have any more questions about the washability of the Vicair wheelchair cushions, please don't hesitate to contact us.
Vicair. Relief by air.